How to make a vision board on Pinterest. First of all, open up the Pinterest application on your phone. You are now in the Pinterest homepage. You can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests over here. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Select Collage to start creating one. Here, search for or select a pin from the suggestions below. Then, tap on Edit to edit this photo. Drag and move the photo to the top as shown. If you want to add another pin, then tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Select another pin from here and tap on Add. Place the pin wherever you like over here. Repeat this to add as many pins as you want and then place them accordingly. Once you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on Next. Over here, you can add a title and description for this pin. You can also manage the privacy settings for this pin below. After you're done, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Create. You have now successfully created a vision board. Following these steps, you can easily make a vision board on Pinterest.